Hello, and a happy, snowy December morning to you. It has been a while since I've been on YouTube because our baby was born. I was really torn about whether or not to show pictures of my baby girl. I really want to show her, honestly. But after giving it quite a bit of thought, it's not fair to her to take away her privacy. And unfortunately, in the day and age we live in, there are some weirdos out there that I just don't want to expose her to. So I'm sorry to all you wonderful, wonderful subscribers who want to see her in all of her lovely little clothes that I've made her. I really wish I could show you. So thank you so much for understanding. It's not that I don't want to show you her or share things I've made with her wearing them. I really do. But I just think it's the safest and healthiest thing not to. Anyway, please take a moment to like and subscribe and share if you enjoy sewing and enjoy this channel. So today I thought I would show you this easy to make gift. You need 4x4 paper, several pieces of paper depending on how many coasters you want to make. And this is a ruler that's 5x5 that I'm going to use for the backing. So go ahead and measure out your 5x5 scrap fabric and cut it out. You do need larger scraps for the backing, but you can use quite small scraps for the front. This is the wadding that you're going to put in between, although it's not absolutely required. So here are some scraps that I have. I'm using quite large scraps actually. You can use much smaller scraps if you're making this because you only need a 4x4 amount. So here you're just going to stitch whatever size scraps you have together basically. And I like to start by stitching it to the paper, and then you just stitch each scrap to the next one after that. So it'll look like this. And then you'll basically cut around your paper and voila, you have the top of your coaster. So I took it to the machine and I just attached the paper to the fabric. And I did this on a large stitch because you don't really need a short stitch. You're basically going to be tearing this off and you're not even going to see this part. Okay, so here we go. We have it attached to the paper. Now I'm going to attach the next scrap to this one to cover the entire piece of paper. This is a really easy gift to make, and it doesn't take very long at all. So I'm just going to line these up, making sure that the paper will be covered with the scrap when unfolded. Okay. This is really easy. I think it's a very cute gift, nice and inexpensive, or a good stocking stuffer. You can protect your furniture while enjoying your hot or cool beverage. Then when you unfold it, here we are. Now we're just going to cut around the shape of the paper. Also, we're going to press this open. And here is what it looks like. It's not perfectly square as you can see, but no worry. When you do the edge, it will cover it up. Then you're just going to tear off the paper. Or you could leave it for added insulation, your choice. Some quilting does that actually. It leaves more paper, but I went ahead and removed it. Okay, here's my wadding or batting, and you're just going to line those up the best that you can and put it with the backing. And I'm just going to fold that backing over so that I can clip it with my quilting clips and then stitch it down. Almost finished. So I'm just folding it like this. And then I'm going to fold it kind of like a little present and stitch it all the way around. Okay. Got it folded and clipped, and this is what it looks like. Real simple to make. You can make many of these and give them to your friends and family. As you can see, there are many different designs. Here's a set of 4 I made. They're really cute and easy to do. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.